Hello, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial is going to show you how to braid the numbers 0 and 1. So to braid 0, share that section into two equal halves from up to down, and then on the bottom side of the left hand side you make a small section like that. On the top right hand corner you make that same section. So we start braiding from just where the left hand side section starts, before the line that runs down the middle. So we're going to braid all the way down. When we get to the end of the line, that smaller section is going to help us to be able to transition around the curve effortlessly. That is the word I was looking for. And then you braid all the way to the top. When you get to that other section, that's also going to help you braid around and turn. So what you do with the tail of the braid depends on your preference. You can use a latch hook to add it into the hair. Here we added hair extension which made it longer, but you don't need to. In case your client's hair is as long as the hair extension you used, or if you didn't use, you can just use a latch hook to crochet it into the main braid. Another option would be to use needle and thread as we did here, and it looks really nice. Next we are going to braid the number 1. This is easy and straightforward. Again, when you're done with the number, you can bend the hair back onto the main braid and sew it down. You can use a latch hook, or you can incorporate it into your hairstyle as we did at the end of this number 1 braid. So you just have to braid it straight down, and that's all. If you like this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up. We have videos already showing how to braid all the numbers from 0 to 9, all the alphabets from A to Z. If you have any requests, please let us know. Thank you for watching.